Hey guys, it's Bubba and I want to show you how I do my weapon swing sound effects. After swinging a stick and listen to the swoosh sounds, I practiced doing that sound with my voice and breath. I went whew while blowing air out of my mouth, and then I did that fast. Whew. And then I worked on transposing the pitch of my voice up and down a few octaves for different sounds of different weapon swinging. And that is how I did my weapon swing sound effects. Anybody can do that. Just gotta keep practicing and you'll get better.